As usual, thank you so much to our lovely sponsor, Luisa. They have been supporting me for so many videos throughout this year, and I feel like it's just so amazing and perfect to close out this year with another video with them. Today, all of the jewelry that I'm wearing in this video is from Luisa. On my ears, I'm wearing the Paris earrings, which are these amazing braided loop earrings, and out of all of the pieces that I've received from them this year, this is actually my favorite piece from them because these earrings are so high quality, there's like a good weight to them, and they just feel extremely high quality. Personally, I feel like these are my perfect earrings for this holiday, and I'm definitely going to be wearing them to complete my holiday looks. And for my necklaces, I'm wearing the Love necklace as well as the Joy necklace, and I feel like these are so cute paired together because they're so delicate but perfect to be layered on top of each other because their necklaces have this chain extender on them. So as we all know, Luisa is an amazing jewelry brand that makes high quality jewelry that never has a luxury markup. Everything is produced fairly and ethically, and is also 100% carbon and water neutral. Their metals are recycled whenever possible, and their gemstones are transparently sourced. So that makes me feel really good about having so many of their pieces because it is conscious and accessible to everybody at their amazing prices. I absolutely recommend checking out Luisa because they are running sales up to 25% off, which makes it the perfect holiday gift. So you can check out the link below in my description box to see what would be your perfect holiday gift on Luisa. Hello hotties! So today starts a new mini series on my channel. I'm going to be doing tiny little hair tutorials to showcase some hair 101 basics. So I often get a lot of questions about how I style my bangs because I always have just like these perfect straight cut blunt bangs, and so in this video I thought that it would be the perfect opportunity to show you guys how I style my straight bangs and also two different other styles. I think the secret to getting really nice flat bangs is wetting your bangs in the morning, and you want to get it wet all the way to the base of your bangs. And I'm going to be gently blow drying my bangs. A lot of people have told me that they have difficulty getting their bangs to lay straight down without it splitting in the center, and you basically want to blow dry your hair into the center of your face. You want to use low heat and also low airflow while taking your fingers and straightening your bangs at the root. And so that's usually how I style my bangs if my bangs are short enough, but as you can see, my bangs are a little bit too long. They're kind of touching the top of my eyes. So taking my favorite straightener from T3, I'm going to be taking all of my bangs, and again, starting at the base, I'm using very light tension and I'm doing one single pass straight down to the bottom. And that's how I style my bangs. For the next version, I've been really liking to do this sort of like messy, wavy split bang for special occasions. So again, starting out with wet bangs, I'm splitting it down the center, and then taking my hairdryer, I'm using my fingers to sort of shape how I want my bangs to lay when they're dry. And so I'm lifting it up at the root and I'm pulling it away from my face and then shaping it towards down so that it curls towards my eyes. Then again, taking my straightener, I'm starting at the root and I'm pulling it with high tension and curling it towards my face. I'm giving this a couple of passes so that it gets as curly as I want. Then with this super teeny tiny curling iron from T3, this is new, so I've been just like so obsessed with it recently. I'm taking the sides of my hair that frame my face and I'm curling this away from my face. Lastly, I'm going to finish off with some hairspray. This is my favorite hairspray in the world from Bumble and Bumble. And I'm concentrating this on the base so that it retains volume throughout the day. And that's it for these split bangs, and it would definitely change depending on how long your bangs are, but I really love how it looks with my short bangs. I think it's really, really charming and it frames the face really beautifully. For our last hairstyle, I'm going to be doing a faux side part. So I'm going to move over my middle part by like an inch only. You really don't need to move it over by a lot, otherwise it looks kind of unnatural. So sectioning the 1 inch of hair that's closest to my face, I'm taking the inch behind it and I'm going to be tucking the hair that's covering my face behind my ear. Then I'm taking this bobby pin and I'm pinning this above my ear and releasing the inch of hair on top. That way it looks most natural. Again, taking my favorite hairspray, I'm spraying all of the little tiny hairs that are trying to escape so that it stays in place throughout the day. I'm accessorizing with a tiny little bow to cover the bobby pin, but even if you choose not to do that, it still looks natural and really cute. This is a super easy way to just hide your front bangs if you ever want to get rid of them for a day. So that's it for this quick little tutorial. Hopefully along the line I can make little tutorials on how to do different types of braids and stuff like that so that people can reference them when they ask me questions on my tutorials. And again, as a reminder, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below to find your perfect holiday gift at Ana Luisa. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you guys again next week.